Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to plot a graph for scatter plots for the given two continuous data, since scatter plots are used for a graph or just the relationship between two continuous variables. Okay, so we use scatter plot to know the relationship between two quantitative variables we are interested. Okay, it is used to reveal whether there is a relationship exists or just what types of relationships are also exist. There is a negative relationship or positive relationships, or what kind of linear or maybe non-linears. Okay, so how to make scatter plot? Go to graph. Yes, go to graph, legacy dialog, then we can say what scatter plots. So what kind of scatter plot? Is simple or a matrix scatter plot or a dot scatter plot? Okay, simple dot, overlay scatter, 3 scatter, whatever you want. For me, I select a simple scatter plot, then define a variable. Okay, you must select a variable for y-axis as well as a variable for z-axis, I mean x-axis. Okay, this variable must be numeric. So for example, I have an age variable on x as well as small cube numbers on x-axis. Okay, then I can say you can select a variable or move into the set marker by box. This variable may be numeric or string, so I can say okay. We have this kind of scatter plots. We have a y-axis age as well as an x-axis smoke numbers. Okay, smoke numbers. So it shows us what somewhat a linears. Okay, the data looks like somewhat linearly, which is a positively increasing. Okay, so this is all about how to plot scatter plots.